Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of the Reese Show. Thanks so very much for tuning in. I greatly appreciate each and every last one of us. Okay, so now what I want to do is come here and share with y'all this little stand that I have came up with for my practice hand. Y'all may see me picking off a little hair off her hand because this child done fell on me too many times around here and she got Duke and Bella hair all over her. But anywho, I know some of y'all probably noticed y'all haven't seen me use her that often, or use her at all for that matter. And the reason for that being is because I didn't have anything to prop her up on. I know the young lady that made these hands now offer you you can buy the hand with the hole right here, and she sells the clamps on her her website. So I said, well, I'll be doggone. So now, I don't know what to do. I can't really hold her up on anything. And then I tried to put her up on this here. This is a little, child, that was my chair. I tried to put her up on this here, but she really wasn't performing too well trying up on this little pillow thing. This is a little armrest. And I couldn't get her to act right up on the pillow there. So I said, well, what can I do? So I said, okay, well, I'm looking around, and I got a lot of stuff I have accumulated I use for my arts and crafts. So I just so happened to going through my stash and I found something. I said, well, I'll be. Okay, so what I want to do is show y'all what it is. Now, I got a towel over it. I'm going to remove the towel in a minute to show y'all what it is. But just to show y'all that she up here on here sturdy and I can work on her very, very well. Okay, get to it. I know you probably like, would you just shut up and show us what you got up under the towel? Yeah, I'm about to do that. Just be patient. Just be patient. Calm down. Okay, so what had happened was I got this little thing right here from the Dollar Tree. Okay, and this here is one of those picture easels, that hold your pictures up. Y'all just about know what this is. This is in the picture frame aisle, okay? And they look easels. I think they come in silver and black as well. But I wound up getting a gold one. I got this here some years back because I was going to do a DIY, honey, and just never found, anything to do with it. So I just wound up getting it out of my little stash of my arts and crafts stuff. And I said, well, let me check this thing out and see what I can do here. Because I'm going to have to hold this child up. Now, I call her this child because I still hadn't came up with a name for her. So, and I thought this was like the perfect thing. See? And I can have her up on here like that. And I can do her hands. And she is going nowhere, honey. Look at that. She is going nowhere. You can, well, you do all that. Yeah, she's going to go. She's going to go. She's going to go. But okay, so I said, well, wow, this is like really nice. So I could just use this here. Because I noticed the young lady that sells these hands, she tell you, you can drill a hand. I don't want to go through all that. Okay, so if I can buy me $1, honey, I can find something for $1, I'm going to make it work, I want them improvising chicks. I know that finds me a way. I know how to improvise some things, okay? So, yeah. So that's what I did. I said I'm going to use this here to hold her up. Now, and like I say, you can do her. I bet you wondering, well, how you going to do the thumb? Because it's way over here. And you don't want to be leaning all the way over there. Or bam, you know what I'm saying? Just do it like that there. And boom, bam, pow, do the thumb. And there you have it. It's all I'm saying. But look at here. This thing here is like the best thing to have to hold your practice hand up on. Okay? See, because she's up there. She's going nowhere. She's going nowhere. Okay? Nowhere, because the weight of this thing is holding this little easel thing down right here. Okay, so you have her hanging on the outside like that there. Okay, so yeah, if this video helped anybody out, child, you go yourself onto that Dollar Tree and you get you one of these little easels, girl, and you hold your hand up. Hold her up. Look at there. Look at there. Look at that. See, hitting it, balancing. Yeah, I'm just acting the food off for real. Alright, y'all. That's my time. I just want to come on here real fast and just show y'all some things, honey. I'm telling you. I'm going to make it work, honey. If I can make it work, I'm going to come and share with you every idea I come up with. Whether you like it or not. Whether it helps you or not, I'm here to help you. I'm here to do it. I'm here to do it. Okay? But yeah, y'all, so look. I can, hey, what's up, girl? Bam. What you want on, what you want on your, what you want on your nails? Girl, give me that finger. Look at that finger. Get them fingers done. Look. See? Check it out. Tell me, girl. Better go get you an easel from the Dollar Tree. Alright, y'all. That's my time. I'm done acting silly with y'all. But yeah, if you have one of these hands and you would like to know how to get her to stand up and you can perform on her very well, you could, like I say, yeah, this is going to work out very well. So now what I do is, I'm not a big fan of this here gold wire stand. So what I do is I put a towel, like if you do videos or you do pictures, you know, for your little videos and your little pictures, you know, you can have her up on here like this here, you know, I mean, just throw a little pretty towel over her and just do her like that there, you know. And see, look, when y'all be wanting to know how y'all want to pose for y'all little fingers and stuff, you know, and a lot of y'all be putting rubber bands on it to hold her together. You don't even have to do all that. You don't even have to do all that. You could just do it like this here, you know, and it holds her hands in, you know, kind of close. Now, if you still want the rubber bands, I mean, you go ahead and put your rubber bands on there. But this here, right here, is like really, really, really good. See? I'm telling y'all, it's something really nice to invest in. Yeah. So that's what I do. I use this towel, and it makes it so much, it looks a lot better for me. Never mind her nails. I know they are busted and disgusted and look like they cannot be trusted. But you know, believe me, when I get her all the ways together, she gonna be all right. She gonna be all right, okay? So never you mind her hands now, okay? I don't need nobody trying to call me like, Reese, your little girl practice hand over there. Her little fingers looking all crunchy, but yeah, okay, whatever. Okay. All right, y'all, that's my time. I'm out of here.